And welcome to another update on Solana. The Solana chart is still moving up nicely here from the 5th of June low, like many other cryptos. It looks like, some kind of a rally has started here on the 5th of June. We obviously talked about this 1-2 setup down here in previous videos. Price did what it needed to do, formed the higher low, broke up, and has reached the resistance area we had on the chart. Nearest resistance area at the moment, right, is this one here between $161.75 and $179.33. I'm going to remove the lower section of it because we want to create some space, some room here. At the moment, I'm still watching if the market can form a 5-wave move up. Technically speaking, this yellow third wave could be complete. I think I would prefer one more upside extension because the way I'm labeling it, I see it as diagonal structure. So the internal C wave, which might have started yesterday, could get one more high because the 100% extension at $171 is an ideal target based on the internal structure. But please remember that in previous videos, we talked about $164 as first ideal target for this third wave. So my targets have actually already been reached. But this is now really, because I'm a bit of a perfectionist, this is based really on the nanostructure. So one more high would be ideal, but overall, if we now start the pullback, we could already be in wave 4. Then the focus will shift to this support area. That is the nearest support area I can really offer here. It's these are basically support parameters, you could say, for today and the coming sessions. As long as we hold above $155.16, I would say the yellow scenario has a chance to form 5 waves. I'd like to see now the market, maybe stretch once more higher, but then start a decent wave 4 pullback. That could be just a couple of days because the wave 2 also took like a couple of days, right? So we want to see a nice and healthy wave 4, which could be an ABC structure. That's typically how we would track them, as an ABC structure. It can always turn into a triangle, but that, the exact microstructure isn't so important. What is more important is that the bulls turn up before the price breaks decisively below $155. And please note and remember that the 50% retracement is also kind of overlapping here with the previous swing low from yesterday. And the 38.2 retracement is often an ideal target for a 4th wave. So there are a few levels here to watch. And it is possible this 4th wave has started. I'm tracking a 4th wave on the Ethereum chart, for example, already. So it's possible we are starting here a 4th wave already. But then we don't really have enough price data to confirm that. And all I want to say, if we break out from here directly higher once more, then it's just something like an extension of the 3rd wave. Only below $155, it becomes obvious that a more meaningful top might have already formed, and that we have that we are likely going to test or retest here this previous swing low from the 8th of June. It's possible that we're testing these previous swing lows then around $149, $148, $147 really, but for now, as long as we're holding above this orange support area, there is no sign that a meaningful top has been established, and the option of forming 5 waves remains on the table. And if we get 5 waves, we can label this wave 1, and then the subsequent pullback would be a wave 2 ideally, and we can track higher prices towards $250 plus. That's the update on Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure you follow us on X. We're building a community over there as well. There are additional setups that you don't find on our YouTube channel, updates, mindset tips you can discuss with the community. I've linked our channel in the description. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.